Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Pro. Today we have a 2014 Toyota Corolla, stock number 6589. It's ran from the 10th 2012 to the 3rd 2015. It has a 2ZR FE 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a CVT automatic transmission. This is the 2ZR FE 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front 17-inch factory American tyre, left front door mirror, left front door no dents, left rear door no dents, left rear 17-inch factory American tyre, rear tailgate, right hand taillight, right rear 17-inch factory American tyre, right rear door 1 scratch and dent, right front door no dents, right front door mirror, right front guard no dents, right front 17-inch factory American tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen sat-nav stereo, interior mirror, front curtains light, sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, instrument cluster,